Hi, this is John Moss with Green Scene Home Inspections. Often I make a video to show deficiencies or things we find wrong in a house, but today I get to show you what was done correctly. So here I am in a garage looking at an electrical panel box. Everything has been properly identified by the breaker, so we know which each breaker goes to what. This is a Eaton brand 200 amp panel box. All the individual knockouts for the individual wires have been used. It's all protected from the cabinet's edge. We do have a main disconnect. Everything here done was copper wiring. There's a green bonding screw present. A white wire here has been identified as a hot wire with a black Sharpie over the top to show it's a hot or push-pull system. Everything was done correctly. This is a rare occurrence for an inspector when no deficiencies were identified at the time of inspection. So if your panel box does not look like that, likelihood is you have some deficiencies in your panel box.